In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email alerts using Salesforce Flow. By the end, you'll have an email alert configured and a record-triggered flow that sends it automatically when your data changes. Start in Salesforce and open the setup area using the gear icon. From there, switch to the full setup experience by choosing the advanced setup option. In the quick find box, search for email alerts. This is where we define the alert that a flow will call. Click New Email Alert to begin. Give your alert a clear description and a unique name so it's easy to recognize later. Choose the object the alert relates to, such as opportunity, case, or any custom object. If you already have an email template prepared, select it now. Templates are key because they control the subject, body, and merge fields, ensuring consistent messaging. Next, choose your recipients. You can target users, roles, or related record fields depending on who needs to be notified. Keep in mind any compliance rules your organization follows and avoid hard coding personal addresses where possible. When everything looks good, save the email alert. Now let's wire it up in a flow. In Setup, navigate to Flows and create a new record-triggered flow. Pick the same object you chose for the email alert so they work together. Set the trigger to run when a record is created or updated. This gives you flexibility to notify people both on new records and important changes. Define your entry conditions so the flow only fires when it matters. Think of criteria like a specific status, stage change, or checkbox. Clear criteria keep your users' inboxes clean and your automations purposeful. On the flow canvas, click the plus icon to add a new element and choose Action. In the Action search, look up the name of the email alert you just created and select it. In the Action's inputs, set the record ID field to record.id. This is crucial. It links the email to the exact record that triggered the flow, ensuring your template's merge fields pull the right data and any related recipients resolve correctly. Once configured, save your flow and activate it. Activation makes it live for your users and data. If you ever need to adjust timing, recipients, or messaging, update the email alert or the flow conditions accordingly. For best results, use consistent naming conventions, keep templates up to date, and review email deliverability settings with your admin if messages don't arrive. That's it. You've set up a dependable, scalable way to send email alerts using Salesforce Flow.